when a business is in regular operation mode, you're past the startup phase. What can a CPA help a business do at that point? What advice would they be giving typically?
Yeah, there are so many things that the CPA can just give you pointers on. These things don't take a long time. In fact, they get to be routine, but there'll be issues right from the beginning, particularly in small businesses, about when you hire someone, is it appropriate and legal to hire someone as an independent contractor? Or should a person who you want to hire become classified as an employee? This is something that the IRS looks at because they look at it in terms of small business, but also large businesses also have to. Sometimes the IRS will audit a business just to look at whether the employees are categorized correctly. The CPA also will help you know how to read your financial statements. They will help you figure out if you have a profit or a loss. And that should be obvious for the business owner, but believe me, it's not. I've worked with many clients who, for some reason, think they're making a profit because they forget a whole bunch of expenses. And when you add all those things together, all of a sudden they have a loss. And they're so surprised. If you learn how to read your financial statements and know how to look periodically to see how the business is going, and if all of a sudden it's not going well, try to figure out why it's not going well. And if you have a problem, if you have a good relationship with the CPA, this is what you can just work out in a phone call. So the CPA also can oversee your payroll and your payment processes. Now, that person is probably, I would say, too expensive to run your payroll, but they can look over the payroll, make sure it's done correctly, and everything is working okay for the business. They can also make sure you're paying your estimated taxes and that you, at the end of the year, send all the required forms like the W-2s and the 1099 forms to your employees and contractors. They'll help you close out your books at the end of the year and then create financial reports which you can use for your taxes.